are some of the best Amazon stocking stuffers this year. This is my MagSafe wallet case. It's really comfy to use, and you can also share info with it to other people through a built-in NFC chip.
Whoa!
These are soap wipes that are really nice to have on the go. The case is compact, and it's so satisfying to watch it dissolve into soap.
Love it.
This is a laptop, iPhone, and AirPods cleaner that is so nice to have and will help you keep your devices squeaky clean.
Squeaky.
This is an ice hat that gives you instant relief for all types of headaches. The material stays cold, is nice and stretchy, and fits all sized heads.
Nice.
This is a box slicer that has a ceramic blade so it won't get you, and it's also really nice to use.
Awesome.
This is a water bottle attachment that you can dispense foam soap from and even squirt the water out. Perfect for any kind of trips.
Any?
This is the ball burr that is designed for the most sensitive area on a man's body. And it actually works.
How do you know?
These are reusable water balloons that stay together with magnets that actually work really well. They are easy to refill and don't even hurt when you get hit.